The 4500 psi electric power washer kit features a robust 1600-watt motor that delivers impressive water pressure and a flow rate of 3 gallons per minute, making it efficient for tackling tough cleaning tasks. The upgraded 33-foot pressure washer hose is made from durable rubber, ensuring flexibility and resistance to damage and leaks, which enhances the cleaning experience. A metal two-way fitting on the hose reel prevents rust and deformation, addressing common issues like leakage and ensuring long-lasting performance. The design of the power washer has been improved by widening the front end to balance the center of gravity, reducing the likelihood of tipping over during use. It comes equipped with 4 quick connect nozzles and a foam cannon, allowing for versatile cleaning applications from powerful blasting to gentle washing. This electric pressure washer is highly versatile and suitable for a variety of cleaning tasks, making it an ideal choice for maintaining sidewalks, vehicles, and more.